오늘은 솔직한 맛집 리뷰를 해보려고 해요. 자연쌈밥식당이라는 곳에 다녀왔는데 외관은 평범한 동네 식당 스타일이고 내부 환경은 정말 아쉬운 점들이 많더라고요. 좋은 점은 텃밭을 직접 운영해서 신선한 채소를 제공한다는 점이에요. 메뉴 가격도 나쁘지 않고 국산 재료 사용한다는 것도 괜찮아요. 채소는 확실히 신선하긴 해요. 텃밭에서 갔다 온 것 같아서 아삭하고 반찬도 꽤 많이 주긴 하는데 문제는 식사를 하는데 유튜브를 크게 틀어놔서 손님에 대한 배려가 정말 부족해요. 음식이 나와서 먹으려는데 너무 시끄러워. 된장찌개도 맛은 괜찮긴 한데 집중해서 먹을 수가 없어요. 분위기가 완전히 망가져서 아쉬워요. 음식 자체는 나쁘지 않지만 환경이 별로예요. 개선이 필요한 맛집이라고 생각해요. 영상 도움됐으면 구독 눌러주세요. Today I'm going to do an honest restaurant review. I visited a place called Natural Sambap Restaurant. The exterior looks like an ordinary neighborhood restaurant. The indoor environment had many disappointing aspects. The good thing is, they operate their own vegetable garden, so they provide fresh vegetables. The menu prices are not bad either, and using domestic ingredients is also good. The vegetables are definitely fresh. They seem freshly picked from the garden and are crispy. They also give quite a lot of side dishes. The problem is they played YouTube loudly while we were eating. They really lack consideration for customers. When the food came and I tried to eat, it was too noisy. The soybean paste stew tasted okay, but I couldn't eat with concentration. The atmosphere was completely ruined, which was disappointing. The food itself isn't bad, but the environment is poor. I think it's a restaurant that needs improvement. If this video was helpful, please hit